Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I have a video for you today on a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4 in the slate gray metallic color. We're going to be doing the 4-inch McGaughy's lift kit, which is a new lift kit that you guys know we started selling here recently. McGaughy's just released it. So the good thing about this kit is it keeps the factory track width, so we'll be able to do a 37-inch tire with an 18-inch method racing wheel, and we won't have much to trim on the truck. It'll look really good. We're going to be going with the Toyo Open Country RT Trail, which is one of my favorite all-terrain tires at the time. So let me know what this truck's looking like, and give me your opinion on the wheel size. We're doing 18s on a new truck, which is kind of rare. You don't see 18s on those trucks very often. Typically we do a 20, 22, 24, 26, but today it's the 18. So let me know what you think about this truck compared to the other ones that we do, and leave me a comment about it. I'm sure the customer's watching, so he'll want to know what you think as well. Thank you.
Everything.
Well, guys, I may be converted to a completely different style than what I'm used to. You know, if you watch my channel, you know that I love big wheels, big lift kits, big tires, all that. Actually, I love big wheels with skinny tires, and everybody always gives me a hard time about it. But today I may be jumping ship. We have a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4, and this truck is beautiful. I mean, it really is. It has the, we did a 4-inch McGaughy's lift kit on it. It's the new kit they came out with. We did the new upper control arms with it as well, and the ball joint caps. This truck, we took the shocks that came in this kit from McGaughy's were very, very nice, but the customer wanted a reservoir shock. He wanted a Fox, so we give him what you want. The truck is the slate gray metallic color, which is very, very popular. And everything's blacked out on it. He's got a lot of, he's got the side markers blacked out. He's got the emblems blacked out. Everything looks amazing. We did an 18-inch method wheel on it with a 37-inch Toyo Open Country RT Trail. This truck looks super different than what I'm used to, but I love it. I really, really like the way it all tied together. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Should I keep doing them like this, or should I go back to the old style? Here she is. That AT4 is amazing. It looks awesome. I love the painted bumpers. This color alone is what really sells this truck to me. I mean, this thing is amazing. The 4-inch McGaughy's kit that we have right here. They're gonna hate me at McGaughy's for almost saying Cognito, but I sell Cognito as well. I like the way this McGaughy's kit looks. It's very, very slim and sleek and subtle on the truck. It doesn't really crank the truck way up in the air. The good part about it is you get to use those upper control arms, the same ones you use in the 7 or 9-inch kit you can use in the 4-inch kit. There's your Fox 2.0 reservoir shock right there. Looks amazing. Going to the tire and wheel, this is the Toyo Open Country RT Trail. It's the newest all-terrain tire in the Toyo family, along with the 18x9 Method I wish I would have known. It's like the NV305, I think, but I may be wrong on that. The wheel looks phenomenal. It looks like the customer had some stuff done on the wheel already. He brought the wheels to us, but he had his friend, I think, paint match the bolts on the wheel, which looks pretty cool. Overall, I think the truck's perfect for daily driving, and it'll fit everywhere. Drive-throughs, probably parking garages as well. I don't think it's too tall for that. Let me know what you think at home on the truck, if there's anything you would have done different, or if you would like a price on anything, or if you have any questions, you know where to find me. I'm at Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. The number here is 678-994-9180. And I wanted to say I appreciate you guys for watching one more time. Have a good one.